So we're just here at Presqu'ile Park. Give you guys a little tour of the campsite, tour around the park. It's pretty nice. Water's really high this year, so a lot of the boardwalks and everything are flooded, so are the beaches. So we'll see what we can find to kind of show you while we're here. So I'll give you a quick tour of the camper. We just recently finished renovating it. Some of the upgrades we've done include the fridge. So we have an actual fridge in here now. All the cupboards have been redone, repainted. All the drapes and curtains have been turned white from the, classic 90s look. And then all the cushions have been redone in outdoor fabric, something a little brighter. Another really cool thing we did was the epoxy the floor. So when we pulled up the old tiles, the subfloor was in great shape. So we just kept it and did like a 3-coat epoxy finish over top, and it turned out really nice. Just gonna go for a quick bike ride, give you a quick little tour around, and then hopefully we'll start cooking dinner here shortly. I don't know if you can hear it, but that island over yonder that you saw, that it's like a bird sanctuary, so you can't really get close to it, but there's like, I don't know, tens of thousands of birds you can see flying around, so probably get a closer shot. But it's kind of cool, but it also leads to a little bit of stink because there's so many birds around here. Mosquito bite on my foot. Currently chilling outside the comfort station, drinking a drink, waiting for my wife in a chair. I look like a total creep, so I feel like this is a good spot to end the day. So I'm just up fresh and early. Nobody else is up yet, but today's gonna be, seems to be a fairly nice day. It's still chilly, but not like yesterday where it just rained almost all day, so I didn't really get to do much yesterday, just sit around the fire and play some board games and whatnot. So I think today we'll go out for a couple hikes, maybe go exploring, all that fun stuff. So just cooking some breakfast now. Just a light breakfast today because I got to run into town because we ran out of propane. So fire breakfast is the way it's going to be today. So we're just doing some bagels, cream cheese, butter, who knows, but it'll be tasty for sure. Let's check this out, see how good it tastes. Very good. Very good. So that you're hearing is Lake Ontario. All the water pouring out here right now. So they just closed the park down. Now we're stuck in here. It's kind of cool. So since we can't take the cars out, I'm currently in the process of trying to bike back a bunch of wood to the campsite. Good idea in my head. Turns out it's a lot harder. Hitting the off-road section now, I feel like this might be how I break a leg or an arm or something. This load's hardly on here. I think I found my new career. I'm just gonna be a professional wood messenger. This is going great. I've yet to, like, you know, fall. I haven't dropped the load. Great success, made it back. No issues. Well, okay, I dumped it once, but it was right at the beginning. I didn't know what I was doing yet. I mean, the speed wobbles through the water were a little bit iffy and I totally soaked my shoes, but all in all, successful journey. I'm gonna rate it 9 out of 10. Oh yeah. Oh, don't eat the fish. A lot of rocks over the road. It's not really that bad. I don't know why they evacuated most of the park. This is like, it's a mild Tuesday. At best.
Fossil.
Found a fossil? It's true. What kind? What do you think? What species that is?
I think it's probably some kind of grass.
Grass?
Grass. I'm gonna go with grass. Not an exotic fossil.
I was hoping to go with something more like a T-Rex foot.
Probably not.
Yeah, you can do it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're a dreamer, so am I. I like dragons, I like butterflies.
Honestly, how can we make this vehicle as noisy as possible? Every vehicle, too.
So we're now on day 2 of being trapped inside the park. Just finished breakfast, going out for a little exploration, see what kind of things the water's kind of earthed up. We pretty much have like this really crazy rock shoreline now that has just like completely eroded all the ground and pushed it up. But out for a walk, a little morning walk, and see what the day has in store. Pretty crazy. I don't know, we'll see if we can get out tomorrow now with how it is. We might be having a little extended stay. So as you can see, the bridge is all cleared off. It's Sunday morning, just gonna tear down the campsite and hopefully go for a little walk or a little bike, but the bridge is cleared, so we're good to leave, unfortunately. I mean, it would have been kind of cool to be trapped in here for a few more days, but I guess I have to go to work.
You can hear the nuts rolling around in its throat.
I was trying to eat everything because the other ones.
Come on.
Now the other one's under the table, coming right over. Oh.
This one's really good.
Stop what you're doing. Get in the moment. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
That's funny.
Show me some movement. Yeah, you can do it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're a dreamer, so am I. I like dragons, I like butterflies. I make wishes talking to the sky. We are dreamers of a different kind.